Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your go-to channel for amazing garden art, decor, and craft inspirations. In today's video, we are sharing 15 rustic planter stand and holder ideas using upcycled old branch for cheap DIY projects. These budget-friendly projects will easily elevate your outdoor spaces with beautiful, natural textures. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us grow and bring you more creative content. This gorgeous multi-tiered branch ladder brings instant vertical interest to your outdoor living space. By securing thick branches horizontally across two vertical limbs, you create strong steps for multiple potted herbs. It works beautifully against any backdrop while maximizing your growing footprint dynamically. You can leave the bark intact to preserve that rugged organic aesthetic that blends seamlessly into nature. Utilizing three stout branches tied securely at the top, this tripod design offers remarkable stability and style. A single hanging basket swings gently from the center apex where the branches intersect. It is perfect for cascading flowers like petunias or trailing ivy that spill over the edges beautifully. This project takes less than an hour but instantly becomes a striking focal point. Find a thick branch that naturally splits into a sturdy Y shape to hold a single statement pot. By burying the base slightly in the ground or anchoring it in a heavy container, you gain instant height. The natural fork cradles a vibrant ceramic planter perfectly like a wooden crown. It is a minimalist yet highly effective way to showcase your prized blooms. Mount a long, gnarled branch horizontally along an existing structure to expand your display options. You can use S-hooks or wire loops to hang lightweight tin cans filled with succulents along its length. It breaks up flat, boring expanses by introducing organic contours and rich textures. This cheap DIY project breathes new life into forgotten backyard boundaries effortlessly. Arrange several medium-sized branches vertically in a circular pattern to form a rustic teepee or tower. Fasten small wooden platforms or rings at staggered heights around the structure to hold individual pots. This creates a beautiful spiral effect as your plants climb or cascade down the natural wood frame. It provides an excellent architectural element for tight corners or small patios. Combine a thick vertical branch trunk with a cross-cut log slab glued or screwed to the top. This simple combination forms a rugged pedestal that can support heavy concrete or clay planters. The contrasting wood grains add a layer of rustic sophistication to your garden layout. It serves as an excellent standalone feature along walkways or near entryways. Weave thinner, flexible branches together in a grid pattern to create a combined trellis and pot holder. Attach sturdy branch hooks near the bottom to hold your planters while climbing vines scale the upper framework. This functional art piece changes continuously as the seasons pass and your plants grow. It offers privacy and beauty while celebrating the rustic charm of upcycled materials. Invert an old, clean root system or heavily branched stump to create multiple natural arms for pots. Each upturned limb acts as a custom cradle for varying sizes of rustic planters. This dramatic piece looks like a living sculpture directly pulled from an enchanted forest floor. It requires minimal modification since nature did all the intricate design work for you. Set 2 thick branch posts into the ground and bridge them with a solid horizontal limb across the top. Hang a rustic wooden board using thick hemp rope from the top branch to create a floating shelf. This swing-style holder accommodates multiple small potted plants that sway gently in the evening breeze. It adds a whimsical, playful vibe to your outdoor garden decor layout. Cut a thick branch in half lengthwise and mount it vertically against a wall or sturdy fence panel. Attach small metal clamps or rustic wire loops to hold individual terracotta pots securely in place. This vertical wall sconce layout frees up valuable ground space while adding instant character. It transforms plain vertical planes into living, breathing works of rustic art. Build a sturdy rectangular frame using thick, straight old branches to enclose a standard plastic window box. The rustic wooden frame completely hides the cheap plastic while providing durable structural support. You can mount this charming assembly directly beneath your windows or along a deck railing. It delivers a cozy cottagecore aesthetic that elevates your home exterior appeal immediately. Lash several thick branches together side by side using heavy jute rope to create a low-profile raft platform. Place this rustic mat directly on the lawn or patio to keep your larger pots off the ground. It prevents staining on your hardscaping while improving drainage underneath the containers effectively. This simple arrangement offers a neat, organized look with a distinct lakeside cabin charm. Construct a simple archway over a garden path using long, curved branches that meet in the middle. Attach small wire pot holders at various heights along the interior curves of the wooden arch. Walking under a canopy of blooming flowers creates a truly magical experience in your backyard. It serves as a majestic transition zone between different areas of your outdoor living space. Connect branches at alternating angles to build a dynamic zigzag console table frame. Place reclaimed wooden boards across the branch joints to establish sturdy, multi-level shelving units. This geometric yet rustic approach provides plenty of room for an extensive container collection. It is an excellent project for showing off your plant styling skills creatively. floating branch canopy hanger suspends a beautifully weathered limb horizontally from an overhead patio structure. Using thick twine or macrame ropes, you can hang lightweight planters at various heights to create an ethereal green curtain. We hope these creative designs inspire you to build your own gorgeous upcycled projects this weekend. Thank you for watching, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more garden inspirations, and goodbye.